Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a video on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official YouTube website, from which if you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner. You can just click on this button and use your credentials to log into your account. Now once you are logged in order to upload a video on your channel, you will need to tap on the create button at the top right corner. Just tap on the create button and you will find the upload video option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will now be taken into your YouTube Creator Studio page. You can now click on the select files option to browse your file that you want to upload, and once you select your video, you can click on the open button. You can also drag and drop the video directly onto this window. Now once your video begins uploading, you will be able to edit the title and description settings. Just type in the title of your video and then enter your video description, and if you scroll down you will also be able to upload a thumbnail. Just upload your thumbnail from the same process by browsing from your computer, and then you have various other options that you can choose. After choosing all of your desired settings, you can click through the next button and also add various other elements to your video. Once the checks have been completed, you will be able to set up the visibility settings. You can either choose to make your video private or unlisted, and if you choose to make it public, you can also set it as an instant premiere. You can also choose to schedule this video to be public at a later date. Now after choosing your desired settings, you can click on the schedule or the publish button, and now your video will immediately be published. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upload a video on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.